Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by creating a movie project so clips live on one timeline. Tap Plus, choose Movie, then pick your clips. Select them in the order you generally want. Once done, press Create to load them into the timeline. This saves time because arranging as you import reduces later shuffling. Make sure to keep the highest quality source at the front if you plan to crop or stabilize, because those edits propagate visually and influence export quality and file size. Now refine each clip so the story flows. You tap a clip to reveal handles and drag them to trim. Short, punchy edits keep tempo tight. If you need precise cuts, move the scrubber to a frame and split. This lets you remove or rearrange sections. Then, use speed controls for slow motion, add filters for consistent color, and enable stabilization if footage shakes. These choices matter because they shape pacing and viewer focus, making your final edit feel Finish by layering audio and titles to communicate context. You add a title, set its duration, then place music or record a voiceover directly. Make sure to balance levels so dialogue remains clear, and enable audio ducking when music competes with speech. Once satisfied, tap Share, pick resolution and format, then export to camera roll or upload. If export fails, try lowering resolution or freeing storage. Also restart Imovie and check file format compatibility. These fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.